myself permission to do these things. We get in our own way and we get our egos going and we think we need to do this and that and all these things that we don't really find joy in. And then we're in pain and we wonder why, right? Because we push ourselves too far quite often. So if anyone out there is going to join me this week in experiencing joy, I've got the puppies, so I'm experiencing a lot of joy quite often, pretty much every time they wake up, even in the middle of the night. I'm happy to wake up at 1 a.m. and just watch them. They're just so adorable. But if you're going to join me in that kind of challenge to yourself, drop a comment, send a wave, send a heart. Just let me know that you're committing. That's like your first step is doing that and kind of committing that to yourself. And so write down 5 things that bring you joy and then start incorporating them, whether it's daily, throughout the week. I'd aim to try to at least get 5 done in the week. We have 7 days in the week, and so that's not even one thing a day. I would aim to eventually do 5 things a day that bring you joy. You can take that as part of your actual practice, right? That's an actual yoga practice that you're doing to heal your body, to help and support your nervous system in befriending your body and allowing yourself to heal through practice. So if you found this interesting, if you want to learn more, of course, I've got my program, my online program. It incorporates all of this stuff. I educate you in the program. You do learning lessons. You put all of this stuff into play. There's so many more wonderful and easeful tools that you can use. And this program, I think it's amazing because you learn within 3 to 9 months how to kind of address the rest of your life, right? So you can always learn more after if you want, but I truly believe like this is all the stuff I've learned in the past 5 years of taking course after course after course, and I've packaged it all up into a kind of more streamlined program for chronic illness. So if you'd like to learn more about the program, you can sign up for a breakthrough pain call. And that's where you and I would get together on a one-on-one basis and talk about your situation, whether the program is right for you, and next steps of where you could go. And so it's not right for everyone, and that's okay. By the end of the call, it's a no pressure call. By the end of the call, if it's not right for you, and you have to kind of qualify with me too. I need to feel like I'm not going to put you into a program that I know you're not going to succeed at. So you qualify in that call. And if you qualify, then you could start as soon as you want, right? Lots of options. If you're not quite sure about jumping onto a call, you could join my online webinar that I offer monthly. And so my next one is August 16th. Yeah, August 16th at noon. And it's about an hour, a little bit over an hour long. And I teach you so many other ways that yoga therapy helps heal and release chronic conditions in the body and the mind. And so that's a good way to get a little bit more education if you're wanting to learn a little bit more about how you're going to do that. And then, of course, I have my weekly classes. So if you just want to pop in for a weekly class, if you're in the area, you can drop in anytime. I'm at the Mr. T building at the 103 upstairs, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1 p.m. And you are welcome to stop by anytime. You don't need to call or make an appointment. It's just a drop in. If you're not in the area, then I offer online availability as well. And that would be through Google Meet is how we do it. So reach out, send me a message. Let me know if you want to pop in online. That one you do have to let me know ahead of time so I can send you a link. And if you reach out, I will get you set up with that as well. Okay, so puppies. I'm going to get them. They are sleeping, but that's okay. They've been sleeping a while. I'll be right back. We have the cutest little puppy sounds. So they're only 6 weeks old. This is Fergie. She's a little bit smaller. She has 2 white paws. And this is Bella. She has a little bit of a white on her chin. And they're sisters. I've got a little bit of, you're not too happy about this, right? So they're quite sleepy. Quite tiny. 6 weeks old. So there you go. This is a pain reliever right here for me. So give yourself permission to do those things that bring you joy. That's what life's all about, right? So this is that was Fergie. I'll show you Bella. She's a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. But they're very sweet. Oh, the big yawns. Oh, so I'm going to spend my next few months wild just enjoying these little guys, soaking up every single minute in the present moment that I can, because it happens fast that all of a sudden they're grown. So I encourage you to do the same. Enjoy the present moment and find joy. It's, it's not hard. And especially once we start practicing that more often, it just becomes easier and easier. And vibrationally, when we're emitting emotions of joy, we're starting to attract more joy. Okay, we start to attract the things that make us excited, the things that we think about that we have these higher vibrations, they all of a sudden show up for us. It's quite amazing. It's happened to me so much in the last couple months. I can't even tell you. It's just, it works. I promise it works for me. So yes, the cute little babies. Animals are the best. It's so true, Leah. They are so sweet. So blessed to have these little guys. Well, thanks for joining. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop it in the comments. And otherwise, pop into a class. I'd love to see you guys. It's summer. I am taking August 4th to 14th off. So I won't have classes running that week. But other than that, we are running every Tuesday and Thursday at 1 o'clock. And I hope to see you guys soon. Enjoy your day. Oh, I know. You sweet babies. I'm so tired. Oh, you tell your babies. Hmm.